Teamgate versus ActiveCampaign. Which is best for email marketing? If you're trying to decide which email marketing platform is the right fit for your business, you've come to the right place. Let's dive into a comparison of Teamgate and ActiveCampaign, two popular tools in the market. By the end, you'll know which one could be the best option for you, or if there's an even better choice. First, let's talk about the core focus of these two platforms. Teamgate offers a powerful CRM tool with email marketing as part of its broader feature set. While it does have some decent automation and email features, it's primarily built for sales teams. This means the email marketing functionality is tied to its CRM capabilities, which is great if you're looking for an all-in-one solution that integrates emails with your sales pipeline. But is it enough for businesses that need a dedicated email marketing tool? Next, we have ActiveCampaign, which is a leader in the email marketing space. Unlike Teamgate, ActiveCampaign is primarily focused on email marketing and marketing automation. With its intuitive interface, powerful automation workflows, and advanced segmentation, ActiveCampaign is one of the go-to solutions for businesses that want to take their email marketing to the next level. But does that automatically make it the better choice? The third thing you should consider is ease of use. Teamgate is relatively simple to use, especially if you're already familiar with CRM tools. However, when it comes to email marketing, it's not as user-friendly or intuitive as ActiveCampaign. ActiveCampaign has a more robust platform for email marketing, but it can have a steeper learning curve, especially for beginners. If you want something that's easy to set up and start using right away, Teamgate might be a better fit. But if you're looking for flexibility and customization in your campaigns, ActiveCampaign has a clear edge. Next, let's touch on automation. ActiveCampaign really shines here with its automation workflows. It allows you to set up complex email sequences based on user behavior, data triggers, and more. Teamgate has some basic automation options, but it doesn't compare to ActiveCampaign's capabilities. If automation is a top priority for you, ActiveCampaign's Workflow Builder will make your life much easier, offering highly targeted email campaigns that are personalized to each recipient. The fifth thing to consider is reporting and analytics. ActiveCampaign offers in-depth reports that provide actionable insights, from email open rates to click-throughs and more. Teamgate's reporting features are decent, but they're not as detailed as ActiveCampaign's. So, if tracking and understanding the performance of your campaigns is crucial for you, ActiveCampaign will give you a much clearer picture. And now, let's talk about pricing. Teamgate offers a more affordable plan for small businesses, but you're getting less when it comes to email marketing features. ActiveCampaign, while slightly more expensive, provides much more in terms of tools, features, and automation. But keep in mind, if your focus is purely email marketing, the added cost could be worth the investment. Finally, after comparing both of these platforms, I want to mention that while Teamgate and ActiveCampaign are both solid choices for email marketing, neither is perfect. Teamgate's CRM-based approach is great for some, but its email features might not be enough if you're looking to truly scale your email marketing efforts. ActiveCampaign, on the other hand, excels in email marketing, but can be a bit overwhelming for beginners. Now, if you want a better alternative for email marketing, one that combines ease of use, automation, and robust reporting, I recommend checking out the platform I personally use. Through the link in the description, you can access an exclusive free trial with benefits that aren't available anywhere else. So, if you're looking to take your email marketing to the next level, check out that link and get started with a better solution today.